My friends and soon to free friends. Up here, buddy. Eyes right here. I got you today. I want your eyes right here. Right here. I'm looking straight. I want to help you out today. My name is Sully, and I want to help you make $50,000 this month. It is July 28th. I had to check my calendar over there because I've been working 25 hours a day trying to come up with a new program to help you make $50,000 a month. And I'm not talking about next month. I'm talking about this month. It's July 28th. And we're going to make $50,000 by July 31st. And it's going to be easy. You're going to be able to sit back on your bed, just relax and let the money come to you. And how? How, you ask? All you have to do is follow my 10-step program, linked down below. You just have to follow those 10 steps and money will flow. It won't even flow. It will waterfall into your bedroom. Just waterfall. Like, if you know 90s and you know who John Holmes is, it will flow just like that. Just straight all over you. You will not be able to wash the money off fast enough. And admittedly, you will probably run into issues where the IRS will just be surprised. They will be shocked at how much money you made this year for 3 days, $50,000. I need you to click that link down below. I need you to help me, help you, help me, help you, because I feel better when I am helping you. And by doing so, that makes my life so much better. I love helping people. And that's my passion. That's what makes me get up in the morning, is my love of helping you make $50,000 over the next few days by simply clicking my link down below. My link down below. It goes to my 10-step program of waking up, being awesome, getting out there, working 25 hours a day. Oh, wait, no. You don't have to work 25 hours a day. You don't. You just have to wake up, be awesome, be great, have these eyes, have this COVID hair, and be the best you can be. And by doing that, you're going to make my life better. Because that's what gets me up in the morning, helping you help yourself make $50,000 by the end of the month by clicking on my 10-step program down below. But yes, I need you to click down below. $50,000 will be in, just flooding over you, just pouring down. You won't even know what to do with it. You will buy yachts just because you want a yacht. Like, could you imagine that? Jeff Bezos called me the other day and he said, Sully, I heard that you had a way to make more money than me. And I told Jeff, I said, you better count your days as being the richest person in the world. Better count those days. And you better count them on like 2 hands, because I'm coming for you right here with the help of my friends. Because if I help my friends and they make more money than Jeff Bezos and I make more money than Jeff Bezos and we all just basically wipe him out, that is what I'm talking about. And if you don't think you can do it, then why are you watching this video? Because that's a loser mentality. And we don't need losers up in here. We need winners. Winners. Coffee is for closers. All right? So just click my link down below and let's do this. Let's do this. We are going to be amazing. $50,000 by the end of the month, by the end of July. And I'm talking July 2020. Let me know down below if you want to make $50,000 by the end of this month. Let me know. And click my link down below. Because I want to make us all rich. I don't want to be rich by myself. What's the point of being rich by yourself? You never know if your friends are really your friends. Because they might be just chasing you for your money. I don't want that. I want to make you rich so we can all be friends and hang out on each other's yachts. Throw those big parties. Do that thing you want to do. And you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. What would you do with $1 million, buddy? We're not talking about a million this year. We're talking about millions. Because once you make that first 50, the next 50 is easier. And the next 50 is easier. And the next 50 is easier. Click that link down below and let's get started. Heck yeah. I am excited right here. It's what we're going to do.